everybody, welcome to another video. Look at me just recording and putting videos out. Aren't you proud of me? So for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of makeup, playing with some stuff that I received for PR. So I figured since I have to do my makeup because I have other videos to record, I might as well come and do it in front of the camera. I haven't decided if this is gonna be a talk through or a voiceover yet. Most likely a voiceover because I think those are a little bit easier when it comes, to the editing part, but we'll see. If you're new to the channel, my name is Giselle, so welcome into my little world. And if you want to see how this makeup is gonna turn out, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the package that I got from Rimmel London. They're always so generous with their PR, and I really do like their products. So I was just sitting here and I was like, oh my gosh, I have a package from Rimmel. Let me look and see what's in there and take out some of the stuff so I can use it. So I'm gonna share with you guys the package that I got. It came in this little mailer right here. And this is basically like their Halloween packet, but I don't do Halloween makeup, but we can still put these to use. So they sent me 3 of their Magnifies Reloaded Edition. That's this one right here. Let me open it so you can see it a little better. There's no reflection, but these colors are gorgeous. So this one is the Reloaded Edition. And the next one is the Thunderstorm Edition, which has some beautiful shades that I think would be great for the fall. If my camera will focus. So this is what the Thunderstorm palette looks like. And then we have the Rainbow Edition, which is also really pretty and super colorful. Then they sent me their new mascara, which is the Scandal Eyes. It plumps every lash and has unstoppable volume. And it's this one right here. I don't think I've tried this mascara before. Well, it's new, so duh. Of course I haven't tried it. And then they also sent me their Wonderful Brow, and this is it's waterproof, and it's a 24-hour brow mascara. I think they've sent me this before, and I did enjoy it. I don't use these types of products on their own. I always do my brow and I use that to set it, so I don't know how it would perform by itself. And then they sent me their Scandalized Gel Liner. It wears for up to 24 hours. There we go. I haven't had the chance to try this product yet either. And then they sent me some, oh, this is another brow gel, but it's just in a darker shade. And then they sent me 2 of their liquid eyeliners. I have used these before, not in these shades, and I do actually really like them. And what is in the rest of the bag? Oh, their Stay Matte liquid lip color, and they sent it to me in a purple, a black, and a gray, which of course would have been perfect for Halloween, but I don't really participate in Halloween makeup, but this will come in handy for something. I'm sure there are looks that I can be creative and work with those shades. And then they sent me 2 of their lipsticks. Here is a black one. Ooh, and this is a really pretty plum color. So these 2 shades right here. I also got a little care package from Urban Decay. It's been a minute, but I got their all-nighter setting spray. Like, this is a must-have in everyone's collection. Like, I absolutely love this, and I swear they always sent me a new one as soon as the other ones are running out. And then they also sent me their Perversion Volumizing Mascara, and I know I've shared this on the channel before, and I absolutely love Perversion. It's like my go-to mascara. Like, so far I haven't found anything that makes my lashes look as luscious as Perversion, and I absolutely love that mascara. They also sent me their 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Again, Urban Decay's pencils are absolutely amazing, and this is the black one. What is this color in Perversion? I mean, a black pencil is always needed, and that black is like pretty intense, and it doesn't turn blue on me that I remember. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. And then I got Black Male and their Vice lipstick. Whatever, I'm not showing the new lipstick anyways. And then the eyeshadow potion primer potion, and a liquid eyeliner, and these are all bomb. The gold one, I think I have one of these already, and I'm not nearly done with it. I don't think I use it often, so I'm gonna save this one. And that's what I got. So I kind of want to play with these and just create a look, you know what I mean? So let's get to it. Oh, and like details for my hair, I'm going to leave, where do the cards go? I think they go right here. I'm gonna leave a card right here because I have a hair tutorial on this hairstyle and these clip ends. So if you're interested in learning how I did this, or you want more information on the hair, there you go. So we are done with this look. I think it turned out really cute. I really like the palette. It was very pigmented, as you saw me trying it on. That green went on like butter, and even though the yellow didn't show up as bright on camera, it is a bright yellow. Like, it was super bright, but now I like covered it up a little bit with the glitter, and the camera is just washing me out in general a little bit. Like, I'd have to go in on the settings. Like, on my computer it looks slightly washed out, but then I'm looking on the monitor of the camera and it looks fine. So we'll see which one is which once I upload the video. Hopefully it looks more like what I'm seeing on the monitor of the camera, because that looks exactly like what I look like right now, and my computer is old. This girl is old. I need a new one, so the coloring is all weird there. But anyways, I'm really satisfied with the way everything turned out. I think it's super cute. And the thing is, like, I took the time, I was like, you know, I'm gonna go do my hair. So I straightened my hair, I put in these clip-ins, and then I started doing my makeup. So I would say it's been like a couple of hours, and I stopped in the middle to make dinner and eat really quick. And I've just been having a good old time with the music on, doing my hair and doing makeup, and this is so therapeutic to me. Like, for people who truly enjoy doing their makeup, doing their hair, like, it can be super therapeutic. Like, not only does it make the time go by fast if that's what you're looking for, but it's just so relaxing. Like, it's just chill as fuck for me to sit and just do my makeup. And that's why I like doing the voiceovers better, because then I can just focus on chilling. It doesn't really feel like a task to do my makeup in front of the camera. So I want to do that more often. I have a couple of palettes that I'm looking right there from Juvia's Place that I want to play with. I also have their foundation sticks, which I'm going to get up early in the morning to do my makeup for work, which I never do. I never wear makeup for work. Like, yeah, I really don't. If I do anything, maybe I will like put on mascara, but I just don't be doing my makeup for work, and I need to stop doing that. Like, I need to look a little more presentable, you know? But the thing is that I don't know how to just do simple makeup. I don't know how to just, you know, put on some foundation, some mascara, and eyeshadow and go. Like, I want to go all in. Like, I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna contour, I'm gonna highlight, I'm gonna blend my shadows as blended as possible. Like, I take my time. So I'm gonna try to do like a 30-minute little makeup thingy. You know, if I get up early enough, I can do a look. Anyways, I am rambling. Okay, now that I did all that, I feel like I'm ready for bed. I'm supposed to be recording a try-on haul. Am I gonna do that? I don't know. But anyways, I want to thank Remo London and Urban Decay for sending me all of these goodies. You guys always come through, and these are two companies that I actually do really enjoy their products and that I use often. Those blushes that I used today, oh my god, I've been wearing them for a couple of months. Remo sent me these blushes a while back, and I just haven't like brought it to the channel. And I was like, you know what, let me give these blushes a try. And I kid you not, I have not put these blushes down since I started wearing it, maybe like 2-3 months ago, something like that. Every time I do my makeup, those two, and they sent me quite a few of them, which I need to play with the other ones too, but these two are like my go-to blush combination. They are so buttery smooth, like it just looks beautiful on the skin. And I didn't do a highlight today. I did not do highlight, and can you see how glowy it is? And I think that that's a little bit from the blush, because it's not super matte. I would say it's maybe like a satin finish, but it's not super shiny. I love those blushes. So I have that. I should kind of do a video on them, or like a drugstore only makeup haul, or like makeup look. I don't know, girl, you know, I just feel like talking right now, so I'm gonna get out of here, okay? Because I can talk your ear off. Like, if I just sit down and start talking, I'm gonna keep going on and on and on, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all go. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, if you did not subscribe, let me get out of the way so I can put some little things right here. Look at me planning ahead for my editing. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the family, okay? Let's keep growing the channels. I'm trying to grow my numbers, okay? And after you're subscribed, make sure you hit that little bell, well, the like button, because that's what I was gonna say. But make sure you hit the bell, because that's going to ensure that you are notified every time I upload a video, so you won't miss it because you like me and you want to see my videos when I upload them, right? Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Ciao.